how to turn on or turn off most visited pages in Samsung Internet Quick Access on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen and then open up the Internet app. After that, tap on the menu key, then tap on settings. Now go down and then tap on home page. Make sure quick access is selected. Then in here, tap on most visited pages. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off this feature. Now tap on the back key, and when you tap on the home button, that should show you quick access as well as most visited pages. Now because I have just installed Samsung browser, there isn't much data for the app to show. So if I tap on the home button, at the moment it does not show. I need to use the app for some times before more information is available for the app to determine which websites I have visited the most. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.